Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sine 2x, we need to change into q sine x, cosine x. So I will put this one go in here. So we have cosine x, we got about cosine x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. Sine x dx we change by negative du. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to 1 plus u. Because we have u, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and we have t minus 1 equals to u. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du. This one we change by t. U we change by t minus 1. Du we change by dt. Next, I will put number 2 go in here. This one we need to expand. Next, t squared divided by t, we have t. T divided by t, we have number 1. 1 over t, we keep the same. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. Negative number 2, we have negative number 2t. The next one, that is about ln of the absolute value of t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about 1 plus u. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.